Yeah. Alright, what's up everybody? We're here to unbox a new item I just got. Really excited. I haven't seen one on YouTube just yet, but I'm really looking forward to this. It is Harbor Freight's new welding helmet, the Vulcan, what we got? VAWH 135. Now I just bought this no more than 30-40 minutes ago, so yeah, let's open this up and see what we got. Oh boy. Bam. Bam. What is it? Oh, no way. Did this really come with a helmet bag? You've got to be kidding me. Oh, no way. And it's soft, nice and soft on the inside, dude. That's, I wasn't expecting that. That's cool. Boom. The new Vulcan. Wow, that's, it's a little heavy, I'm not gonna lie. I think on the stat sheet it says it weighs 1.5. Got the paperwork right here. Let's see. Where you at? Where you at? How much does this bad boy weigh? Oh. 1.2 pounds this bad boy says it weighs, and yeah, that's really nice. I'll have to show you guys a shot of what is in the inside, but your modes, grind, sensitivity, shades, delay. Wow, this headgear is really nice. I'll try that on real quick. Wow, that is super comfortable. Wow, that color is really nice. That's super comfortable. Actually, really surprised at how nice that is. Yeah, super nice. It is a little heavy, but it's okay. Grind button. First time I have an outside one. Vulcan. Let's see. Oh, and I'm obviously not taking this off till I get to work on Monday. Let's see. What else we got in here? Oh, hey, we got 3 extra shields, battery, 2 inside shields to go with it. Dude, nice. I was not expecting all that to come with it. That's super cool. So yeah, guys, that's the unboxing for this new helmet. I'm super excited. It's got the 4 sensors. I mean, just your typical welding helmet. I think they compare this to Lincoln's Viking helmet. Yeah, real excited, really happy with my purchase. It was about $200, and dude, I cannot get over how comfortable that is. That's so super comfortable. Well, thanks guys, and I can't wait to try it out at work, and make another video in like a week or 2, maybe a few weeks, and tell you guys how it performs at work. Have a good one. It's awesome.